Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, question 3 is asking us to draw a production probability frontier to illustrate a trade-off between a clean environment and output. So I would say the x-axis here indicates clean environment, and y-axis is the output of the firm. So we clearly know that these two items, they have a negative correlation because if we want a very clean environment, we cannot produce much. And if we want to produce a lot, the environment must be polluted somehow. So I will draw these two dots here and then connect them with a convex function. Because, I think that when we produce a lot of output in order to make the environment a little bit cleaner, we have to sacrifice a lot. So the curve is like steeper on the left hand side because when you're already polluting the environment, the tiny little effort that you can make the environment a little bit more a little bit cleaner is by sacrificing a lot of the output. But as like on the right hand side of the graph, if you like does not produce a lot, and you start to produce a little bit, it is only going to make your environment a little bit polluted. So that's the idea. What's the next question? So show what happens to the frontier if engineers develop a new way of producing electricity that emits fewer pollutants. So we can see that if now we have a new technology that produce more outputs without polluting the environment, or I would say that without emitting so many bad molecules into the air. So we can say that like if you fix the cleanness of the environment, this technology help people produce more output. So we can see that this is the case for every cleanness. So this frontier will like go up. So sorry, no, I will erase this dot. So the idea is that the black curve will shift up. So like something like this, because when you produce nothing, the cleanness of the environment is the same as the old level. But now, even if you produce like, okay, the x-axis is extended here, even if you produce this much, the cleanness is just zero. So the difference here is what the advantage that the new technology has brought us, because for a certain amount of cleanness, we can produce more output. So the production possibility frontier just shift upward.